So I'm not sure if it's something I miss or if Canvas new quizzes doesn't allow for it. But I have some videos inside of Studio over here and I wanted to drop them into new quizzes. So I come to insert media over here and there's no option to plug in from new quizzes. So what I had done previously, and I was super excited because here's the video here. I'd already got the closed captions up and going. And it's really important for me, in terms of accessibility for the closed captions to be there. I could just upload it, but then the closed captions wouldn't be there. So quick little hack, if you have Camtasia in Studio, I downloaded the captions file. And then I came into Camtasia, uploaded the video, put it on my timeline. And then here under captions, I uploaded the file that I got from Canvas, packages it all together, take a second and review if anything's wrong, and just export it again. And don't forget that while you are exporting, under your options menu here, you can select the captions menu, and then you have these different options. Burned in captions puts the text right on the screen. So that's your accessibility hack. Go ahead and finish exporting it. Let that do its thing, and then you'll be ready to bring it into your Canvas course. All right, so my video is finished rendering. I can come into new quizzes, edit, place my cursor where I want to embed the video, upload media, browse in my Camtasia folder, click done. Let's give it a preview.
Thanks so much for taking some time to give us some either phrases or words that you think.
All right. And if I want to go full screen, if my participants want to go full screen, they can see the text is there too. So I could have just taken this video, uploaded it to YouTube, and let YouTube do the closed captioning for me. But this is proprietary information, something that I'm making for my clients that they sell. So they don't want their content on the web. So having to use a third tool until I find out how to bring videos from Canvas Studio into new quizzes. So thanks for watching. Let me know if I missed something, if you have a different way that this could have been done. Thanks, Canvas community. Bye.